welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I did a wedding inspired makeup look for you. I actually had a great time creating this look and I would definitely wear this on my wedding day. So if you would like to see how to achieve this effortlessly beautiful wedding makeup look, then just keep watching. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to start with the face today. So this is true for all makeup, but for wedding makeup especially, you want the makeup to stay on all day because it's going to be on a long time. We want to make sure that the makeup is not going to move throughout the day. To do that, I'm going to prep my face using the MAC Fix Plus spray. Oh god, I sprayed it too soon. Alright, so for foundation today, I personally am going to use the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow. If I were to get married, I would want to look glowy and dewy and fresh, and this foundation does that for me, so I'm going to use this today. And this is super long lasting. Like, I think I've worn this for about 12 hours, and it looked really good after 12 hours. I mean, as you can tell already, it's very radiant. I forgot to mention that this foundation also photographs really well, and obviously on your wedding day you're going to be taking a lot of pictures, so that is definitely something you want to look for in a foundation. Okay, so now that we have the foundation on, I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and this is well, it's like a medium to full coverage, but it's lightweight and it lasts very well, so I'm going to put this on. Also, don't smear this around. If you just pounce it in, it'll stay way longer. It'll just give a more flawless finish. So I'm just putting that over the eyelid to prime my eyelid for eyeshadow later on. And I found that the longer that you pounce your base makeup in, the better it's gonna look. I usually take like a good 2 to 3 minutes to literally just pounce this in. And then quickly we're gonna go into the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder to set the concealer. And I'm gonna put it right underneath the eyes and just blend that in. I'm also going to set my eyelids so those don't crease. So now we're going to move on to the brows. Today I'm going to be using the Anastasia Brow Wiz in dark brown. So this section here is mainly where I focus this product just because I have sparse hair there. For me, the main issue is the tail. So now I'm going to use the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. This stuff is amazing because it's literally like Gorilla Glue. As soon as you put it on, like, the hairs do not move at all. That's why I love it. For eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the Tartelette In Bloom palette. And today we're basically only going to be using like light pinks, some whites. It's all going to be very muted. Take any fluffy brush, dip into Flower Child, which is this one right here. It's just like a light pink, and just run that in your crease. It's so nice to be able to use a mirror. I don't know if you guys saw, but I did post my attempt at the No Mirror Makeup Challenge. If you have not seen that, I will link it up here for you. It was interesting. I'm going to take some of Sweetheart, which is this one right here, and I'm going to go a little bit deeper into the crease with the Morphe M433, and I'm also going to put this on my lid as well. I just want everything to be like a light wash of color. Real quick, I'm going to jump into my Take Me Back to Brazil palette by BH Cosmetics and use this really light pink up in the corner here because the Tartelette In Bloom doesn't have a pink that would suit this look. Alright, so I have dipped into that pink shade, tap off the excess, and I'm going to put that on the lid as well. Now we're going to highlight the brow bone using this top color here, which is called Charmer. And this basically gives the illusion of more lid space, and it gives the illusion of a lifted eyebrow. Now I'm actually going to use a blush for the next part, which might seem a little bit weird, but I'm going to go into Cindy Luminizer, which is like this beautiful pink sparkly blush, and I'm going to put this on my lid as well. So now we're going to deepen up the outer corner a tiny bit. I'm going to go into the tiniest amount of this color right here, which is Activist. It is a dark brown. I'm just going to take a fluffy brush and blend that in. All right, so that is the eyeshadow done. Either you can just put on lashes like this, or you can add some eyeliner. Today I am going to add a little bit of eyeliner. I'm just going to do a very, very little wing. Follow the natural curve of your eye, and that's where the wing should go. So we have the eyeliner on. Now let's throw on some lashes. Okay, so I have my eyelashes on now. I used the Cocoa lashes in Risque, and as you can see, they definitely add more glam to the look, and they also photograph really well. Okay, so now let's move on to the rest of the face. I'm going to use a flat type of brush and go into Subconscious, this one right here. And I always start at the base and then I kind of make my way down my cheek. So I'm just putting that on my forehead and then my jawline as well. I'm gonna move on to blush, and I swear by this blush. This is the Milani Baked Blush in Berry Amore. It is absolutely stunning. Now let's do our favorite part, highlighting. I'm gonna be using, of course, Mary Luminizer by The Balm. And I wanna be glowing to the gods today, because I love the way this highlighter looks in pictures. So for a wedding day, this would be absolutely stunning. I'm going to carefully use a brush and take this highlighter on my brow bone, just up there, on the high point of the brow. So now let's go ahead and spray our face. Probably the most important step is setting spray, and I swear by this one. You guys see me use it all the time. Milani Make It Last setting spray, and I'm going to douse this all over my face. And for lips today, I would usually go in with like a liquid lipstick and put a gloss on top, but this lipstick is very drying, and this is the only liquid lipstick that I have that is like a reasonable color for a wedding. So I'm gonna go in with this gloss, and this gloss actually does stay for a pretty good amount of time, and it smells really good. This is the Bare Minerals Gen Nude Lip Gloss in the color Can't Even. It is beautiful, and it's so comfortable on the lips. If you take toilet paper or paper towel, whatever, and you do this, it basically removes all of the lip gloss or lipstick that was down the inside of the mouth so that it doesn't get on your teeth. I'm going to give it one more spritz of Fix Plus just to make sure that everything is locked in place. I also just like the way Fix Plus smells. Thank you all so much for watching. If you are a bride watching this, congratulations. I am so happy for you. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I upload videos all the time. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. All of my information is on the end screen in just a moment. And please leave a comment down below if you feel so inclined. Tell me what your favorite part was. Tell me how you think I did. Would you wear this at your own wedding? Please let me know. So that wraps up this video. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you on my next one.